Yo, I'm Phil Schaefer. I go by Sike Style. I'm an artist living in Kansas City, working in all kinds of mediums. Recently, Lucid and I have been teaming up on a lot of projects, and we've been lucky enough to get some really cool projects, such as the Wilma's trailer. These guys have been, working hard, trying to make great food, trying to stay on the go, and make their small business work. And us being a small business, we appreciate other small businesses and want to help them out. So when small businesses hire us, we try to, step up and want to do a great job and, help their brand.
My name is Daniel Bartle with Lucid Arts. I'm a Kansas City-based artist. For this project, Brett came to us and he requested a cartoon of Wilma, who is his mom. And he didn't want a literal. He never showed me a picture or anything. He just provided a vivid written statement. I freestyled it from there. So the subject matter, is maybe like a touch out of my comfort zone, but it turned out well. I think that for what the trailer is and for what it's trying to do, it's perfect. It's iconic. It'll catch your eye from across the lot, and as people line up to get their tasty food, it's like, people are snapping photos. It's fun, fun for the whole family. You've seen a lot more from us, so enjoy.